Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking at my face for the very first time, my name is Sarah. So as you have read by the title today's video is going to be an Amazon haul. It is a collective haul of everything I've bought. So I've divided all the things that I've bought into sections. There is skincare, there is accessories. By accessories I mean bags. There are electronics, there is home decor, there is everything. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the very first category I have is of skincare and anything related to skin. So the first product is this one. It is the Dot and Key Barrier Repair Face Wash. It is really nice. It doesn't rip off the excess moisture from your face. It hydrates the face instantly. And yeah, this is what I regularly use. And then we have this sunscreen from MOHA's. It was really nice. I'm saying was because I used when I went to Gokarna for a trip. Since it's a spray, you could just spray it. And the shine it gives is insane. I will put a clip or a picture over here, and it's of a spray form, so it's easier to cover. Suppose you're putting it on your hands, it's just you can spray it instead of actually putting it on and rubbing it onto your skin, so it's more convenient. So I really liked it, and it's definitely worth a buy. If you're looking for a body sunscreen, buy this one. And then I have, it's not a skincare product, but I've included it in. It is this perfume from RENEE. It's the RENEE Bloom. This is the smallest bottle of it. There are I think more bottles, and it's very budget friendly. This one is just for 99 rupees. And if I have to describe this perfume, it smells very fresh and very day appropriate, I feel like. They say that this perfume is the dupe for Carolina Herrera's Good Girl, which I don't know how much of it is a dupe, but it's really nice. For 99 rupees, I just bought it so that I can literally put it in my bag and go about my day. And if I need to reapply, the lasting power of this is okay, it lasts for 2 hours, but then you have to reapply again. So that's that. But for the price, if you're getting this one, it's really nice. If you want, you can buy this chotu wala, try it out if you like it. If you don't like it, and then you can go ahead and buy. So moving on to the next category. The next category is bag. So the first bag that I wanted to share with you all is this one. It's a tote bag. I mainly bought it for how pretty it looks. Look at that, it looks so pretty. I'm not sure of the price, but this was also 1300 range, but it is really nice. This is the bag I use for daily wear. So this just has one button over here, and you're supposed to open it, and then you have pockets like these, one zipper over here and 2 pockets, and then it's just plain tote bag. One thing I would definitely, if it had a zipper over here, it would be very nice. But this bag, I gravitate towards this bag the most to take it to office because of how cool it looks. It's really pretty, and the quality of it is also really nice. And then I have another tote bag. This one over here, it's in a beige color. This one, it has a zipper in the middle, as you can see, and then you have 2 pockets over here and over here. But the quality of this one is okay, it's not bad, but because it's beige, it gets dirty. This one is also a good option. This is cheaper compared to the one I showed before, but I gravitate towards that more compared to the previous one because it has just one compartment, so everything gets lost in that. But this one, it's good. You can put your laptop inside the main zipper one, and you can put other rest of the stuff in the 2 pockets. This one's also really nice. And then we have another bag. This one is a normal bag, a shoulder bag. I have a white color in this one too. It has 1 zipper and then the same, just a small zipper and 2 pockets. This one is also really nice. It looks very trendy. Some colors you definitely need in your bag collection is black, beige, and I think brown and white, and you will be sorted. You don't really need much. So I bought this one, and I have the same one in white. The quality is good. It's good. It works for a shoulder bag. It can fit a lot of stuff too, so it's really nice. Then we have another bag that actually I bought for my friend. This is a cane bag. I will insert a picture of how this looks. It looks something like this. It's very boho, very beachy, and here as you open it, and this, there's not much you can fit into bags like these, but just for the aesthetic purpose it looks very nice. So yeah, this is the bag, but I think you will find if you're going to Goa or somewhere, you would find definitely bags like these for much cheaper and very similar. But otherwise, if you're looking for something that look aesthetically pleasing bags, then go for it. Okay, moving on to the next category is clothes, and first being the one kurti that I'm wearing right now. It looks so pretty. So for the price, it looks great, and the quality is also great. I've worn it quite a lot and it's good. Just one thing is that you might want to go a size up for this kurti, because this one shrinks, because I don't know, because of the material. I feel like I should have taken a bigger size and then it would have been even better. Keep that in mind, and this one's a really nice one, definitely a thumbs up. And then in clothing, we have this red t-shirt. It's been quite some time since I've bought it, and it's really nice. The quality of it is okay. The price, I think it's good. It looks very nice once you wear it. I've actually worn it when I went to a cafe. I will insert pictures over here. It looks definitely really nice. The quality is also really good, and I didn't really find any problem with that. You'll find similar ones in Zara, H&M, but this one's a lot cheaper, and the quality is also okay. It's not bad for the price that you're paying. It's really good. And then moving on to the home decor category, I bought set of these two artificial plants for our kitchen. We have a slab, so I bought it for that purpose, and it looks really nice, aesthetic. The small mini plant, so both of these I bought for 203 rupees, so it looks really cute. If you're looking for something home decor that's like a small plant or just adds a little something in your room, you could definitely go for this one. And I also bought this other one, artificial plant, but this one's more of a creepy creeper plant. It looks really nice. It's for 300 rupees. This one was also really nice. And then I bought this magazine holder or book holder that I use to keep all my journals or any notebooks that I have. I keep it in my room to just organize them. It's really nice, and it looks very aesthetic. It's rose gold. It's so pretty. It goes with the aesthetics of my room, so I bought that one. And the next one that I bought is this cable management box, if you were to say. So I hate it when I can see all wires and then I have to work. I don't like it. You can just put your extension box in that, and then you can plug in all the cables that you have, and then you can use them. It looks a lot more organized, and it also has a stand for you to keep your phone. This one is also really nice. If you're looking for anything of that sort, go for this one. And then I bought a side table for my room so that I can put my candles and the books I'm reading and all of that. It's a wooden one. It's really nice. You can just open it up, close it up. It is not very big. It's just you can fit 2-3 items. That's it, not much. So look out for that. But it's really nice for the price. For 295 rupees, it's really nice. And then let's move on to the electronics. So I bought this mic that you can see me wearing. This one was really nice because when I filmed the first video of mine, the audio wasn't great, and I realized it afterwards that it might be because of the app that I used, that I could change the settings better. But then I went ahead and bought this mic, and so this one's really nice. So as you can see, this is the audio quality once I'm using it, and I'll show you how the audio sounds like once I remove off the mic. And this is the audio quality without the mic, and I hope you can hear the clear difference. And I bought these earphones, earbuds, whatever you want to call them. These are by Bolt. This one's really nice. I keep using them throughout the day, and it doesn't require more of charging. Also, once in 3 days I think it needs charging, and it's really nice. If you're looking for an Bluetooth earphones, these ones are really good. Go for it, hands down. I hate when I have to charge things every single day because there are already phones to charge, so many electronics to charge. I don't want to be charging another device also very often. So this one's really nice, and a thumbs up from my side. And the color is also really cute. I bought it in a super pink cute color. So yeah, that. that's pretty much it what I had for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope any of these items are useful to you. If they are, I will link them in description box or comments. Check both of them out. It might be neither. I hope you enjoyed this video, or this video was helpful in some sort. You could find something that you need. Also, you know the drill. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and until I see you next time, bye.